Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about two topics. First, I am going to talk about something that every English learner dreams of: how to think in English. Even me. You know, many of us can read English, we can write English, we can even understand English. But when it comes to speaking, suddenly we start translating from our mother tongue, that is maybe Bengali, maybe Hindi, or any native language. Our mind first think in Bengali or Hindi, or which is our mother tongue, and then try to change every word to English. And that's where we get stuck. So in today's video, I will tell you step by step how to start thinking directly in English, just like native speakers do, naturally, easily, and confidently. Step 1: start with simple daily thoughts. When you wake up in the morning, your mind starts talking, right? I am feeling sleepy. I need tea. Oh, I am getting late. Now, just replace these thoughts with English. Say to yourself, I am feeling sleepy. I want a cup of tea. I am getting late for my office or for my class. These small sentences are the beginning of thinking English. The more of you do it, the faster your brain will start accepting English as your thinking language. Level, Step 2: label the word around you. Wherever you are sitting now, just look around. See your room, your chair, your bag, your book, or your phone. Say in mind, this is my chair, my phone on the table, I am sitting near the window, etc. By doing this, you connect English word with real life object, not with translation. What's the secret to thinking in English naturally? Step 3: use English for inner talk. We all talk to ourselves, right? Sometimes we think, what will I cook today? Or what should I wear? Now try to think these questions in English. What should I cook today? What should I wear today? Talk to yourself in English as if you are own friend, because your brain learns faster when it listens to your own thoughts in English. Step 4: listen more, think more. If you want to think in English, your ears must be full of English. Watch short English videos, listen to simple podcasts, or follow English speaker YouTubers. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen and for rhythm and pronunciation and sentence pattern. Your mind will slowly start to copy what is here. Step 5: keep a daily journal. Step 5: keep a daily journal. Every right every night before sleeping, write 3 lines about your day in English. For example, today I went to the market. I bought vegetables. I cooked dinner with my mother or mother in law. Simple. When we when you write your daily thoughts in English, you are train your brain to store memories in English word. Step 6. Imagine in English. This is my favorite step. Close your eyes and imagine something. Maybe about a trip or movie or your dream job. But describe it in English. For example, I am working on I am walking on a beach. I am in front of waterfall. I the wind is blowing. I am feeling happy. This is not just imagination. This is a real brain training. Because when you imagine English, you feel English. Step 7. Stop translating. Start feeling. In the beginning, you will translate, and that's okay. But slowly stop thinking like this. Cha means tea. Instead, you when you hear tea, your mind should see the cup of tea. Think in picture, not in your native language. That's how that's how baby learn. They never translate. They connect actually. Step 8. Practice speaking without fear. Even if even if you are able even if you are alone, talk aloud in English. Describe what you are doing. I am cleaning my room. I am cooking rice. I am watching a YouTube video. You don't need anyone else to start. You are enough. The more you speak, the more your brain gets comfortable with English thinking. Final thoughts. Remember, thinking in English does not happen in one day. It takes time, patience, and daily practice. But if you keep going this small step every single day, you will reach a point where English will come to your mind naturally, with without translate, without fear, and without hesitation. So start today, talk to yourself, think in English, dream in English, and the one and one day you will speak English just like you think, freely and comfortably, confidently, freely and confidently. Thank you for watching, and I will talk about the next topic. Today's topic is a day at a beach. Hello everyone. Today I want to share one of the most beautiful and refreshing experience of my life. A day at the sea beach in Puri. This year I went to Puri with my whole family. My parents, my husband, my little daughter, and my father-in-law and mother-in-law. It was such a special family trip for me. The next morning, I woke up at very early, around 5 a.m. I wanted to see the sunrise at the sea beach. I quickly got ready and went to the beach with excitement. The air was cool, the sound of waves was magical. The and the sky slowly started turning dark to bright. But you know what? The weather was not in my favor. Every single morning for 5 days, I went to sea beach just to see the sunrise. But not even once could I see clearly. Cloud. S- Still, I watching that beautiful moment when darkness slowly turned into light felt too peaceful and pure. I saw some sailor returning from the sea after fishing. They were sailing sails, small stones, and Chinook. Some of people were sitting quietly at the sand. Some were walking, and some shops were just opening. The smell of tea and the sea beach mixed together. I felt heavenly. After that, I returned to our hotel. We had our breakfast and then again went to the sea, this time with my whole family. My daughter was super excited. She was playing with sands, buildings, small castles, and laughing out loud every time the waves touches her feet. We all went to sea for bath. Oh my god, I can't even explain how happy I feel. The wave were coming again and again, touching us, slaps, water, everything, everywhere. That moment I felt like pure joy. Then we took a camel ride. It cost 50 rupees per person. My daughter enjoyed it the most. We clicked so many pictures together. After spending some wonderful hours, we returned to our hotel, took lunch, and rested for a while. But in the evening, we could, could not stop ourselves. We again went to the sea beach. This time, market was fully open. Bright light, food stall, toys shop, sale jewelry, and the sound of the people laughing everywhere. The cool sea breeze was blowing, and the waves were shining under the moonlight. That moment, standing with my family, watching the endless waves, feeling the salty air, it made me realize how peaceful and beautiful life can be when you are with your loved ones. Those 5 days in Puri are forever in my heart. Every every time I close my eyes, I can still feel I can still feel the sound of waves, and I thought that waves calling me back. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching my video. And how do you like this video? Please comment me. If you have also visited the sea beach, tell me in the comment which is which one is your favorite and what you loved in the most they were. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment. How do you like this video? Please comment me. Thank you for watching.